Naviance has a Build Your Resume task assigned to all grade levels. I will help you access the Build Your Resume task and show you some tips to complete your resume. Let's get started by logging into Clever using your laptop login and password. In your Clever portal, find your Naviance icon, taking you to your Naviance student homepage. Scroll down to your important to-dos and tasks and click on Build Resume. Once you're in your student planner, find that pink arrow and click Build a Resume. This should bring you to a blank page that just says Resume in the top left corner. In order to get started, you're going to click on this pink plus sign, giving you a list of options. You will want to complete as many of these categories as possible to complete your resume. For starters, I'm going to click on Objective. They give you a tip that says your resume objective should provide a short, simple, and clear statement about the kind of position you wish to obtain. For more tips and examples, click in the right corner of each box and they will give you examples for whatever category you're working on. Once you've completed your objective, go back, click on your pink plus sign, and we'll click on Work Experience. This will show you the layout in which it'll appear on your resume. And if you still aren't quite sure, again, that top right corner will have more tips, which will give you examples on how to complete each category. Once you've worked your way through the list, you will have completed a resume, allowing you to print it and export it. So then you will have a resume that you could use to apply for jobs, scholarships, internships, or maybe you need it for a class. But here your resume will be stored and you'll be able to update it each year you're in high school.